told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
Okay, so I've got the bike cleaned it up a bit after the fall. You can see next to me there's a list of stuff that needs to be done before I go riding again. So let's get going.
as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought.
Okay, recap video. We're in the workshop again today. It's Saturday. My bike is stripped at the moment. Like you know, there's a lot of stuff that I still need to do. A few things that came up of the throttle cable, and you can see inside carburetor it's starting to, so it was on its way out. Alright, let me just show you how the bike looks and what we're doing at the moment. Yeah, alright, can you see me? Alright, so this is where we at the motorcycle. You can see the wheels are off, the handlebars are, the tank is off. Another surprise is we've got new TQ2 machine for the brand new tires, so I can't wait to try these out. These are semi-soft rear tires. Alright, so tomorrow we're gonna test them out and see how they work. So the previous tires I had on were actually just super hard, cheaper tires that's not actually made for the enduro type stuff that we're gonna do. So really excited about that. Alright, let's get into the work.
Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Okay, the bike is assembled again and ready to go. Most of the stuff on the list is done. There's a few other issues, like my bike is not charging, so that's something that I need to look at. But I'm ready to go and practice tomorrow. That's going to be awesome. See you there.